Significance or importance of management principles. Proper understanding of management principles is very necessary and helpful for managers as these principles act as guidelines for managerial activities. By practicing principles, managers can avoid various mistakes while dealing with people in the organization. The significance of management principles is due to the following reasons. First, providing managers with useful insight into reality, optimum utilization of resources, scientific decision, meeting changing environment requirement, effective administration, fulfilling social responsibilities, and management training, education, and research. Providing managers with useful insight into reality. Management principles act as guidelines for the managers. These principles improve knowledge, ability, and understanding of managers under various managerial situations. The effects of these principles help the managers to learn from their mistakes. These principles guide managers to take right decisions at the right time. Now, optimum utilization of resources. The management principles insist on planned activities and systematic organization of men and material into the organization. Principles are designed to get maximum benefits from the human efforts and the other resources. For example, scientific principles suggest to cut down the wasteful movements and setting up the standard time to complete a task. By saving time, energy, and efforts, activities can be made economical and results in the maximum utilization of resources. Scientific decision. Managers have to take number of decisions every day. The management principles enable the managers to approach various problems systematically and scientifically. Meeting changing environment requirement. Every businessman has to make changes in the organization according to changes taking place in the business environment. Management principles train the managers in implementing the changes in right direction and at the right level in the organization. Although management principles are relative and general guidelines, yet by modifying these principles, changes can be made in the organization. Fulfilling social responsibilities. A business is creation of society and makes use of resources of society, so it must do something for society also by performing some social responsibilities. Management principles not only act as guidelines for achieving organizational objectives, but these principles also guide the managers to perform social responsibilities. Management training, education, and research. The management principles stress on the scientific judgments and logical thinking. As a result, these principles act as base of doing research and development in management studies. As these principles provide organized body of knowledge to perform research work and generate more and more knowledge, they have provided new ideas, imagination, and base for research and development. Principles of management are at the core of the management theories. These act as base for management training and education. Professional courses such as BBA, MBA also. One more point is left, that is effective administration. Administration is the function of top level management. In this function, major plans and policies are formed. The management principles act as guidelines and base to form various administrative policies to have systematic working in the organization. Hope you have understood today's topic, that is the significance of principles of management. Thank you.